Hi friends, welcome back to Programmer Guide YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the static methods inside the interface. I hope you are aware of that, right? Till Java 1.7, static methods inside the interface is not allowing. If you are trying to write the static methods inside the interfaces, right, it will give the compile time error. The program is not going to be execute as expected. But Java people has been decided static methods are introduced in Java 1.8. Static methods in interfaces are similar to default methods, but the only difference is static methods cannot be overridden in the implementation classes. As in I think last video you have seen, right, in default methods, all the default methods provided in the we need to override into the implementation class, but static methods did not require to override in the implementation class. We can simply call using the interface reference. In the example, I will demonstrate how it is going to be called by using the interface reference. The main advantages of static methods are memory management. Since object is not required, right, so no need to create any object, so the static methods is going to be loaded into the in memory along with the class. Once you have been implemented to the particular interface, right, the static methods are going to be automatically loads into the class. So we can call using the interface name that will saves the memory of the object, so memory of the class. I hope you are aware of that, right? Creating the object is costly, but interface is the lightweight. And another advantage is, right, Java interface static methods are good for providing the utility methods. I hope in your project, who is already having experience, right, you might have seen one or other places you might be used the project utility methods. Okay, why these utility methods are required to define as static, right? Whenever you are want to call these utility methods, right, you don't want to create the object, you can simply call using the interface reference. So all the utility methods you can from 1.7 onwards, 1.8 onwards, you can define as a static. And one more advantage is there. Okay, Java interface static method help to improve the security by not allowing to implement override the implementation classes. So how it is applicable security is, suppose you have written some utility logic and you don't want, if it is allowing the overridden, another user is overridden and are made these changes, the naturality of the static utility method or expected output is not going to be as expected. So that security also going to be provided by using the static methods. Now we'll see the example. See, I have taken the one interface college. In the college, right, I have defined the static method percentage. See, all the students need to be calculate the percentage at the end of the day, right? So here I have taken the one float input parameter variable scored marks and float total marks, and we are calculating the percentage. If you see here, right, static method demo is implemented the college. So since it is implemented, right, we are not calling, we are not creating the object here. See, the percentage has been calculated for the 530 marks. Okay, suppose I am going to remove this interface call. So see, even though, right, since it is a static method, it is not mandatory to override or calling into this method. Suppose, right, there is a college, so in the class departments has been implemented, and we have written the public void get all departments. All departments. Okay, so now it is mandatory to override the all departments in the college, static demo class. So add unimplemented methods. Since I have written the all, overridden the unimplemented methods, even though percentage is not calling. So to call that, we can use the interface reference. Yeah, I think we need to write inside the execution block, right? Yeah. See, now we can able to call. So we don't need to override into the implementation classes. Let me execute this one. Yeah, if you provide this sysout, right, since it is returning the statement, so it is going to be executed as expected. See, 490 is 81%. So such a way you can write the utility methods, and suppose some dummy implementation need to provide all the classes. So static void m1 method. So here, right, we will define like a static method example. Now I'm going to call this in m1. See, object is not required to call, so the memory of the class is going to be saved. Okay, so like this you can call the static methods. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the content of the video, please subscribe my channel.